Hello and konnichiwa. I'm Tomoko, your Japanese food ambassador. Do you drink sake? Have you heard of Sakekasu? In English, sake leaves. It's a byproduct of sake making. Sakekasu is a byproduct of making sake. After the sake is fermented and pressed, what's left is sakekasu. So sakekasu smells and tastes like sake, but the texture varies, depending on how much sake has been squeezed out of the sake mash. The one I have here is from a local LA sake brewery. It's the freshest I ever tried and quite soft and creamy like whipped cream. The one you find at the Japanese grocery stores will look like bricks, but they are all same sakekasu. For the brick-like sakekasu, you can add little water to break it down, which will make it easier to use it for cooking. Like other fermented products, you can find there are many associated health benefits with sakekasu. 1. Rich in vitamins, especially vitamin B, which is great for your healthy skin. 2. It's rich in fiber and protein, which is great for gut health and health in general. FYI, the taste of sakekasu changes quickly in refrigerator as it keeps fermenting, so if you don't have a plan to use it for a few days, I recommend to keep it in your freezer in an airtight container. As I mentioned, sakekasu is a byproduct of sake making, so it comes from the mottainai, no waste spirit of Japan. Sakekasu can be used in a variety of ways, from marinating fish to pickling vegetables. You can mix with miso and then make great tasting miso soup and great dip for vegetable and chips. Today I will make fun treat for you using sakekasu. Sakekasu cheesecake. All you need is of course sakekasu along with cream cheese, eggs, sugar, and some heavy cream. First, mix room temperature cream cheese, sugar, and sakekasu well until they are evenly blended. So this is fresh, very fresh sakekasu. So it smells still very much like sake. It contains alcohol, so don't feed this to child. I can get drunk from this, but it's tasty. Instead of sugar, I'm using stevia because I'm on keto right now. But you can use any sugar. Next, add heavy cream and then beating eggs little by little and mix well. Preheat oven to 350 degrees and cook about 20 to 25 minutes. When it's cooled down, wrap in a plastic and refrigerate overnight. Plate with some berries and enjoy. Sakekasu adds some richness to the cake with some hint of sake. It makes great dessert for all sake fans out there. The other quick way to use sakekasu is to make amazake drink at home. There are two ways to make amazake. One is non-alcoholic and then one with alcoholic. Since sakekasu contains somewhat alcohol, so this will be a little bit alcoholic drink, so don't give this to your children, though it's really good for your health. Another easy and common recipe is amazake. All you need to do is mix warm water, grated ginger, sugar, and sakekasu. While super healthy, thanks to the heavy dose of probiotic, it is slightly alcoholic, so I don't recommend including it in your kids' breakfast. That's it. It's kind of like hot cocoa that you can have in a chilly night. Spring night is still kind of chilly, so it'll be good for that. I like ginger. Hope you get to use sakekasu at some point. You can check refrigerated section at the Japanese grocery store. If you're lucky to have any sake brewery near your house, go talk to them and then ask them if they can share sakekasu with you. Hope you can find sakekasu near your house and then try to make something out of it. You can do savory or sweet, or just some straight out drink like this. Thank you and then arigato for watching. Until next time, ではまた。